In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reset your network settings on Android. So first, you need to prepare your Android phone and then open the settings and find and tap the gear icon on the settings application. You can scroll down and tap on the system, and this might be under the general or basically general management. Now tap on reset options or advanced, then head to reset options in some cases. So choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, or reset network settings. Then confirm it. Just click the reset settings or reset button and enter your PIN or password if you are prompted. So what you are getting after the reset? You resetted the saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, the paired Bluetooth devices and mobile data and cellular settings. And this also include the VPN settings. So make sure that you have saved everything first before doing this. And that's how you can reset the network settings on Android, and thank you for listening.